I bought these Halos, I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, biscuits. This is chocolate with vanilla filling at Pick n Pay Hyper in Bloemfontein. Also this, chocolate with chocolate filling. So it's only the taste always say, it's normally $14.99, but it's on special $10.83 for one. There's different foil bags inside, quite a lot. So here goes. That is what it looks like. Not a big biscuit, but yeah, here goes. Not bad. Not quite what I actually expected. I'll give him a 7.9 out of 10. And then for the ones with a vanilla filling, here's what it looks like. All in the taste, as I always say. Don't really taste the vanilla. Just a chocolate cookie with a bit of sweetness inside. I rate these cookies, biscuits, a 7.7 out of 10. Thanks guys, love you all till next time.